Hello students, in today's science class, we are going to learn about the topic conservation of plants and animals. Deforestation, the clearing of forests and using the land for other purposes is called deforestation. The causes for deforestation are procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, using wood as fuel or making furniture, etc. The natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and drought. Consequences of deforestation. The consequences of deforestation are increase in the temperature and pollution level on the earth, increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leading to global warming, lowering of groundwater level, disturbs the balance in nature, decrease in rainfall leading to drought, soil erosion and decrease in soil fertility leading to desertification, decrease in the water holding capacity of soil leading to floods. Conservation of forest and wildlife. Forest and wildlife can be conserved by setting up areas like biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, etc. Biosphere reserves are large areas of protected land for conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of the tribals living there. National parks are areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. Wildlife sanctuaries are areas where animals are protected from a disturbance to them or their habitat. Biosphere Reserve. Biosphere reserves are large areas of protected land for conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of the tribals living there. Biodiversity is the variety of plants, animals and microorganisms found in the area. The Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists of a national park called Satpura and the two wildlife sanctuaries called Bori and Pachmari. And fauna. Flora, the plants found in a particular area. Fauna, the animals found in a particular area. Example, the flora of Pachmari consists of sal, teak, wild mango, jamun, silver ferns, etc. The fauna of Pachmari consists of wild dog, cheetal, wolf, leopard, blue bull, barking deer, etc. Endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals found only in a particular area and not found anywhere else. Example, sal and wild mango are the endemic flora of Pachmari. Bison, Indian giant squirrel and flying squirrel are the endemic fauna of this area. Wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuaries are areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them or their habitat. The killing or capturing of animals in wildlife sanctuary is strictly prohibited. National Park. National parks are areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. Example, Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest in India. Endangered animals. Endangered animals are those animals whose numbers are diminishing and might face extinction. Tiger is one of the many animals which are slowly diminishing. To protect the tigers in our country, the government launched the project Tiger to ensure the survival of tiger population. Dinosaurs have already become extinct. Red data books are books which keeps a record of all endangered plants and animals. Ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of all the plants, animals and microorganisms living in an area along with the non-living components like climate, water, soil, etc. Migration. Migration is the movement of animals from its own habitat to some other habitat for a particular time period every year due to climatic changes or for breeding. Birds which fly very long distance to reach another land are called migratory birds. Recycling of paper. About 17 full-grown trees are required to produce 1 ton of paper. Paper can be recycled about 5 to 7 times for use. We should save, reuse and recycle paper to save not only trees but also to save the energy, water and chemicals used to make paper. Reforestation. Reforestation is the restocking of destroyed forest by planting new trees. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. We have already caused a lot of damage to our forest. If we have to regain our green wealth, reforestation is the only option. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.